Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I worked on this video. I have not uploaded it yet, but it's over 20 minutes long. Give myself props for that. And it was a channeling session on some things, and I was getting some earthquakes. I did not want to include the earthquakes in that video. And the reason why I'm giving myself a pat on the back is because, you know, I have a short span and I'm lucky to get 10-minute videos out. So this is an upgrade for me. I'm proud of myself. So the earthquakes I'm seeing are based on some astrology, also channeling, and the solar eclipse we're having is September 21st. Some countries are already in that. So that's why I want to put this video out, because as far as I know, these areas that I'm going to mention have not had an earthquake, and it's around 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, United States, East Coast, okay? So I kept being shown north of Himalaya. I know I spoke on that area before and they had a quake, and that's been like a year ago. North of Himalayas. Also, another area close by is Nepal, India, that border, okay, the border right there. These quakes, or possibly one of these quakes, I don't have a map in front of me, but I kept getting New Delhi. And I kept seeing the transits, like the trains, the substations, being affected by either the aftershocks, because I don't feel like the direct quake is in New Delhi, but it's right outside of New Delhi, and they're going to get some aftershocks. No, I don't think that these things are going to happen all on the 21st of September, so don't think that I'm saying that. The energy just lingers, so I'm just letting you know what I'm getting. And really any time after the 21st, okay? Another area is Central Asia and West China. And I don't know how to pronounce these two areas, but I was being drawn to areas. So when I get earthquakes, I try to give you guys, especially if they're in foreign, like different countries, I try to pinpoint like an area, like a city or something. But here, take a look at this. I wrote it the best I could. All right. So we're looking at Central Asia, West China, and I wrote these two areas down, but I did not put in which one is West China or Central Asia. I just wrote them down. Okay. So you see that. Right. The Tabian is plateau or plateau. I'm not sure how you guys pronounce it, but in South, plateau is how we pronounce it. So these two areas, Central Asia, West China, there you have it. I'm highly drawn to north of Himalaya, so that's my number one area. Okay, so when we look into Russia, Russia is going to have a lot more earthquakes and flooding from tsunamis are going to happen in 2025. No timeline. Maybe even into 2026 for Russia, especially southern Russia. When I look at the country near the Black Sea or the border there. So Russia, I'm just letting you know. I see that. Turkey, possibly. But I'm seeing the fault or the possible earthquake would run into Eastern Mediterranean. So it could be that border between Turkey, and I'm not sure what country borders Turkey. But remember, they had a really bad earthquake, Turkey did, a few years ago. And, oh man, I don't know the country that borders it, but both countries were affected heavily. And I wrote Greece down. I wasn't getting a strong hit on Greece, but because it's so close to all that, I wrote down Greece. So these are the areas of interest based off of some astrology. I say some, not all, but a lot of it's what I channel. I'm really getting north of Himalayas, India, the country India, and the countries that border India, but primarily what I just mentioned: Nepal, India, the border, north of Himalayas, and knew something about New Delhi being affected by the aftershocks or something with that. And then of course I mentioned the other areas. So yeah, I didn't want to include those in the last video because, man, I tried to keep it together. It was hard keeping that 22-minute video together. Trying to go through everything. It's just hard for me. But yeah, but we did it. So there you go. Those are the areas I'm getting for earthquakes. We could have them anywhere. Let's be honest. We could have them in Alaska, California. Yeah, I know, I get it. But those are the areas I'm drawn to for now. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.